All right, so he ended up wanting to do his hood pins. We got one side done and came out pretty good. And actually we can see how much of a difference it is. I want to show him how much it.
So on this side, with just it being on the secondary latch, this is how much play was in it when I was driving. Just about. A little bit more than it was, but just about that. And this is how much play is in it now that the hood pin is in and locked. Literally nothing. The only play you're seeing is me pushing down on the hood.
But that's the hood flexing.
Exactly.
So now that we got this down, it'll be easier to show a better demonstration on how to do it. Okay, so first step to installing hood pins is to find your hood pin location. We're going off of a stock hole that was already here. It comes with 4 bolts, 2 for each. You put one on top and then one on bottom, and it tightens it there. We have it low. We put a piece of tape here, put Sharpie here, and marked it there and drilled the hole through. And now what you have to do, is you're going to take you're going to take your hood pin, and whatever way you're doing it, you're going to line it up with the one. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see, but the one down, the pin down there, and then you're going to trace around it and then cut it out. Alright, so hopefully you saw. You take a bit like this, just a grinding wheel. You cut out the straight spots, and then you take a bit like this. It has some teeth in it, rounded. And you go around the edges, smoothing it out. And you don't want too much because these holes are really close to where the hole is. So you have to test fit to make sure it's in there. And see, our pin is coming right through the center. So now we got to cut out the bottom. So the piece that sandwiches it to this sheet goes together. Okay, take your hood latch, slide it in there, and then you find a drill bit that fits, and you drill through all 6 holes. Then you're going to take your sandwich plate and slide it underneath and run all the bolts through and bolt them in. Okay, so it's in. Now you just gotta adjust these. I'll say there. Set her down.
The only play is the hood bouncing off of that.
Which we could always push these down more. but it's a lot more secure than it was. So now we're gonna go get a car wash to get all this fiberglass off, because he has a fake carbon hood.
Get out of here. Have a car, shut up.
I mean, I do have a car.